Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood here at my home garage talking about some of my favorite products. So today what we're talking about is a product that we've carried for quite a long time, and it is something that I've had in my toolbox for just as long. This is the Eastwood Long Reach Reversible Cutoff Grinder. That's right, reversible. That's probably the coolest thing about this cutoff grinder is it has a little switch on the back here that you can change the direction of how the wheel spins, which is really handy for when you're cutting something inside or under the vehicle where you don't want to shoot sparks at yourself. You can change the direction of the wheel and it'll get you so that you're cutting in a safe manner and also so that you're not shooting sparks at something that you don't want to. It also has an air adjustment for a low and high that you can change the speed of the grinder on the front side of it here, and it has a nice little safety lock on the front that you can kind of toss it on the ground when you're working and you don't have to worry about hitting the trigger by accident. I like using this grinder a lot when I'm working, again, inside of the car, and it's one of my first cutting tools that I reach for when I'm actually doing some rough-in work and cutting steel. What I'm going to do today is show you guys on a piece of just plain steel here how you can cut and change the direction really quickly and really easily. Alright, so that's a quick little demo on the Eastwood Long Reach Reversible Cutoff Grinder. Hopefully you guys can see how handy it is to have one of these in your shop, and it's something that I reach for more and more every day when I'm doing cutting around the shop in all my project cars. To check out this product, you can click the link down below, or you can visit eastwood.com to get all the fab tools that you need to do the job right. Thanks guys.